Good morning, YouTube. No Class Garage here. Just start to another day. So we're gonna see what kind of shenanigans today has in store for me. I'll keep you guys with me and let you guys see what the first service call is all the way up to the last. So stick around, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, we have our first service call for the day. I got battery issues on a unit out in Hinkley, California for PG&E of all places. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Aaron Brockovich movie about PG&E dumping all their stuff and poisoning all the people out in Hinkley. It's a pretty good show if you want. It's all true story. If you want to go check it out on Netflix, that's a good one to watch if you have nothing to watch. But we're headed out to PG&E in Hinkley to go service a battery issue. So I will keep you guys updated and let you know. It's about a 40-minute drive from here right now. But it's a good start to a Friday. Let's try to knock this thing out, get her done. Hopefully there's something else out there to keep me busy. But pitter patter, let's go. We're doing it. No Class Garage on the way to save the day. So decided to take the back way, Route 66, just mob it, scenic route. So we're out here in the middle of the desert, just past my Bottle Ranch. If you check the video I just posted before this one, you'll be able to see Bottle Ranch. You guys don't forget to like and comment on my videos, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, please and thank you. Really appreciate it. Kind of thinking about doing a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Might give away cash, might even give away one of my projects that I'm working on. You never know, maybe just some t-shirts, some merch or whatever. If you guys are into that kind of idea, just go watch a couple videos, leave some comments on there and tell me what you guys think. Maybe we'll put something together, but only if you're subscribed to the channel. That's the only way you're going to be able to get anything. So make sure you're subscribed. Hopefully, I'm a few hundred people away from being at 1,000, so it shouldn't be too much longer. If everyone works together, get a nice giveaway going. I'm gonna let this drive take over, and then I'll fill you guys in when I get where I'm going, and we'll see what the issue is with this unit. Alright, so we are in Hinkley, pulling up to the PG&E. I'll have to go over here and find my unit, figure out what's going on with it. So stick around, guys, and you'll see these in the movie, those little water reservoir spots. If you watch Aaron Brockovich on Netflix or something, you'll see it all. Stick around. Alright, it's loud as shit right here, but we're here. Well, the first thing we're gonna do is check the battery voltage. Just make sure that she's actually there. Not getting nothing from my starter TV. Alright, I'm gonna back my truck up and try to hook it up to the jumper cables and see what happens. So bear with me, I'll be right back. Alright. So when I hook my truck up to it and jump start it, it runs fine, but I believe the battery is way too dead and it kills the unit whenever I unhook it. I think the battery might be drawing too hard. So to start, I'm gonna go get a new battery for it. And then if that does not solve the issue with it dying when I unhook the cables, I'm gonna pop open the covers and check the stator gap to make sure the stator gap's correct. Make sure there's no gunk in there. But as for now, I need to go stock up on some batteries and then come back out and then replace the battery. So stick around, I'll let you know if this fixes it. We'll go from there. It's gonna be a nice little driving day today.